The sluggish buyer activity in past weeks is reflected in 15% fewer contracts, but the median list price of the increased inventory is up 21.5% year over year. It's Friday, October 31st, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore offices of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Buyer activity is moderate in Dorchester, Queen Anne's, Cecil, Worcester, and Wycomico counties. Talbot County has moved to steady, while Caroline, Kent, and Somerset are slow. The median list price hit $425,000 ahead, 21.5% last year as inventory continues to rise, 21.5% year over year. Homes available for sale on the shore rose slightly to 2,318 at a median list price of $400,000. 112 homes will be coming soon to the market at $399,000, and 167 homes went under contract in 42 days at a median list price of $375,900. 118 homes sold in 25 days at 96.3% at a median $398,000. As you can see, days on the market, 42 days, 25 days. Homes are staying on the market longer on the Eastern Shore. Homes for lease this week fell to 162 units at a median $2,273 per month. Got questions regarding your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, October 31st, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.